What's going on, guys? Obviously we're not in Texas, we're out here in California at Hyundai's Proving Grounds. Beautiful area out here, but it is Autonomous Day and we're checking out a lot of the autonomous tech and features that are in Hyundai vehicles. So let's get into those. All right, guys, so let's give a little bit more context here. First off, this video was produced for National Autonomous Day, which was May the 31st. Missed that mark by a little bit, but it's okay because we're here now, and this is really important and some really cool information to get out to you guys anyways, so I definitely still wanted to do that. And while I shot this video, I also shot a video about Hyundai's green vehicles. That video is already posted. You should go check it out. I'll have it up in the iCards. I also shot a video, a quick look video for the Hyundai Elantra hybrid, which I drove during my time in California. That was a good video as well. It's on the other channel, but I also will leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking out that quick look, since I haven't gotten the vehicle for a full review yet. But without further ado, let's jump into this one. So the first thing we're going to focus on here is Hyundai's autonomous driving feature. And this is actually an assist feature, which I've reviewed and covered a few times, namely in the Sonata, which was the first time I spent time driving a Honda vehicle with these features enabled. And again, I drove that Elantra hybrid during our time in California, going back and forth from our hotel to the Proving Grounds, which was a 2-hour drive. And I definitely used these features during that drive. So again, it's a set of safety features that gives you this autonomous-like driving, starting with the lane keep assist, which helps prevent accidental lane departure by sensing road markings and assist steering the car if necessary. You also have lane following assist, which provides steering assist to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane of travel. We have driver attention warning, which monitors the driving behavior to help detect possible driver fatigue. We have blind spot collision avoidance assist, which helps detect vehicles in the driver's blind spot while the turn signal is on, and may apply braking to minimize the potential for a collision. So mainly the lane keeping assist, the lane following assist, and the radar guided cruise control all team up together to make an autonomous-like driving situation. So it'll keep you in your lane, it will keep you a certain distance from the car in front of you, and this is one of the better systems on the market today. And of course, every year it seems like Hyundai is just getting that much better. Another safety feature to talk about is the forward collision avoidance assist. And this uses all the same radars and sensors in the vehicle. It has pedestrian detection and uses the car's front-facing camera to help detect an imminent collision with a vehicle or pedestrian and avoid impact or minimize damage by braking automatically. Now, during the time that we were there at the Proving Grounds, this was definitely the scariest demonstration. Getting in the passenger seat or behind the wheel and trusting the technology while you're just heading at a steady clip towards a structure. But the vehicle did what it needed to do. These safety features did what it needed to do. And you can see here in these clips that it definitely stopped the vehicle very abruptly, but it worked like a charm. The last thing we took a look at that day was another feature that is sort of close to me. I own a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It's not really mine anymore. It's my son's. But when I did buy it brand new, it did come with a year of free Bluelink. Of course, at that time, there wasn't a ton of features that you could do with Bluelink, but now there are a lot. Some of the great new features are self-parking with obstacle avoidance. You have an auto start feature, and you can pull the vehicle out of its parking spot using Bluelink. This is also a feature that comes on the key itself, and the Sonata has this for sure. I'm not sure if any other vehicles in Hyundai's lineup have this yet, but I know they're going to be rolling it out to more vehicles, but it's pretty cool. You can also use your phone as an NFC digital key, and this allows you entry into the car, start up the car, and drive the car all with the phone and not having a key in your pocket, which again is another really great and smart feature. You can also sync your destination from your phone, so you can search for a destination on your phone and sync it to the car's navigation system, which I think is a really great feature, especially if you don't use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for your navigation and you want to use the car's navigation. It's really cool that you can search it on your phone and then just sync it with the car's navigation system. And you also have standard features like rolling down or up the windows, locking and unlocking the vehicle, turning on the AC, and monitoring other drivers like teen drivers and things like that. They're actually implementing a driving score that can score yourself or score teens driving the vehicle. And there's a potential that this information could be shared with insurance companies for lower rates and things like that. But Hyundai says it's always something that you can opt in or opt out of. And they say any information that they store is protected, but it is a cool feature to have, especially I think for teen drivers. All right, guys, such a fun time out here with Hyundai, testing out all these vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about all of that. And as always, thanks for watching.